Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd, and as you guys can see, my profit for today is $277, just absolutely amazing. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so you guys can see today has been an absolutely insane day. The overall market has been green all across the board. It's just been a massive uptick after we had, a lot of down days, a lot of declining days. If we take a look here at the 180 day, you can clearly see that there's days where everything has been just going down, especially for Meta, because I'm trading Meta, META, which is Facebook, obviously. So yeah, the last time I actually traded, this was when I sold out. Again, I took a really small position size the last time when I bought in, and then I sold out because of everything that has been going on in the news and the market and everything. So once I made this profit the last time I sold out, I'll put it in the description. You can see that I waited, and exactly what happened, as soon as I sold out, it just started declining, and then we just continued with this downtrend. Again, it's all about just knowing when to stay on the sidelines and then knowing when to actually get in and then get out. So you can clearly see that I've been patient when it comes to getting back into the stock. So you can see that we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pretty much like 6, 7 straight days of like just a hard downtrend. It tried to break through but just got rejected every time. And again, it's everything that's been going on with the tariffs and everything like that. Let's just take a look here. So when I actually got in, again, I took a really small position size, again, same like last time. And even though I knew this today was going to be the day, what you don't want to do is assume. You don't want to assume that you are maybe 80% right or 100% right, and then things don't go your way and you don't have a plan. So that's always my first thing that I told you guys. You always make a plan. So this is what I wanted to do for this trade. I pretty much just wanted 250. I actually made that. So once I got in at 10 shares at 484, so sub 500. If we take a look here at the 5-day 5-minute, we can go back to yesterday. Again, we had this huge sell-off when the market opened from the morning time. This would have been on the 21st. We've had this pretty much sell-off, bounce, and then rejected, sell-off again, consolidation, and then we started an uptrend. That's when I realized, okay, now this is the time for me to actually get in. If you look back at the 180 day, like I said previously, we've had pretty much 5 to 7 days straight downtrends. It's just been going down. If you take a look at it here, we've had some sideways days, but pretty much just getting rejected all the time. And again, when it opened, we opened at a high but closing on a low. So pretty much it's just been red days throughout the week, at least for Meta. And that's when I saw the opportunity. I got in 10 shares at 484. Only wanted 250 because I know this was going to be a quick swing trade, nothing too crazy, just for today, and that's exactly what I did. We waited patiently until the market opened, and we opened up at 491. At this time, it pretty much was like, maybe like 80 bucks or so. Like, again, my plan was to make 250, and that's what happened. Even getting up to 506, I think this would have been like 200. It still didn't meet my criteria. Again, you guys know that every time I trade, I always set my target price to get out. So once I set my target price, it just locked in the profits, and then I call it a day. It's not about getting out on the absolute high, but this was aftermarket when I actually got out. Because when we take a look here, we can see that it started to downtrend, and it's fine. I could have held on for tomorrow as well, because tomorrow seems like it's going to be a nice day as well. But once I saw the opportunity, the news came out recently in the after hours saying that Trump is going to be easing off a little bit on the tariffs, and that's pretty much news. That's good news for the market. So now if you take a look at all the other stocks, you can see that after hours we are trending up. Today, I believe, was Tesla's earnings day. Let me know in the comment section if you actually traded Tesla, or maybe if you traded Meta. But so once I saw that the price started to go up. Again, I have my alert set, so after hours I saw that, okay, we started to uptrend. Set my price target to actually get out, and that's when I actually sold out at 10 shares, my same 10 shares at 512.36. We continued rallying up right now as I speak, and yeah, so it's okay to leave money on the table. It's not about getting out on the absolute top. Like I said, it's all about locking in, sticking to the plan, and being consistent. That's what makes you a really good trader. Make sure you lock in those profits. 277 on the day for a really quick $277 on the day for a really quick swing trade. I'm actually happy with that. So yeah, we start off the week very nice and strong. So let's see what's gonna be happening for the rest of the week. Maybe we get even better news, you know, and that's really a good catalyst for the market to continue an uptrend or a nice reversal going back up to higher highs. The last time, if we go back here, the last time Meta went up, it was at 571. Let's see if we're gonna actually continue that uptrend. You have to be careful with this EMA line right here. Maybe we're gonna get rejected again. Maybe some bad news. You know, you never know. You never know. With this kind of market, with Trump being, you know, the catalyst for the stock to go either up or down, you never know. So be careful when you're, you know, trading in days like this. Let me know in the comment section down below if you actually enjoy the video, if you actually learned something. Like I said, you always stick to the rules. Be patient. Don't try to overtrade. Just make sure you are sticking to the plan. Always make a plan. Know when you're getting in, getting out. And yeah, you will become a better trader. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. What did you guys do? How are you guys actually? I know it's been a while since I posted a video. Again, I've just been on the sidelines, making sure I'm actually patient when it comes to, you know, locking in profits and doing my daily trades or swing trades. Maybe tomorrow, like I said, maybe it's going to be a nice day because you see that we're actually going up. That doesn't mean that we're going to open up high and then continue uptrending. We can pretty much just continue uptrending here, and then once we open, it may come right back down. So you have to be careful and cautious when you're trading stuff like this. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that, and yeah, you guys know what to do. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, the notification, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.